Now we'll study like opposite. Opposite means we are having K-map and we have to convert it into expression. Okay, let's see how can we convert it into expression. This is I have taken for the three variable. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now suppose they have given you the K-map, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, clear? Now what we need to do, we need to write down the expression for each individual term, right? Suppose this is B bar C bar, I'm writing it direct. B bar C, B C and B C bar. How does it came? I told you 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, 0, 1, that is A bar and A. Now what we need to do, we need to write down expression for this one. Can you tell me what would be its expression? If you see it from, yes, correct. A bar, B bar, C bar. And for this one, A bar, B bar, C. For this one, A, B, C. For this one, A, B, C bar. And for this one, A. Okay.